Daily use English sentences. Good morning. How did you sleep? Repeat. Good morning. How did you sleep? This sentence is a friendly greeting used in the morning. It also asks about the quality of the other person's sleep in a polite and caring way. Example: A. Good morning. How did you sleep? B. Good morning. I slept really well, thank you. A. That's great to hear. B. Yes, I feel refreshed today. Have a great day. Repeat. Have a great day. This sentence is a kind and friendly way to wish someone a good and successful day. Example: A. I am leaving for work now. B. Okay, drive safely. A. Thanks for the help this morning. B. You're welcome. Have a great day. How are you doing today? Repeat. How are you doing today? This sentence is a polite and friendly way to ask someone how they are feeling or how their day is going. Example: A. Hi, it's nice to see you again. B. Hi, yes, it's been a while. A. How are you doing today? B. I'm doing well, thanks for asking. You don't need to worry. Repeat. You don't need to worry. This sentence is used to comfort someone and tell them that everything is okay and there is no reason to feel stressed or concerned. Example: A. I'm nervous about the presentation tomorrow. B. You don't need to worry. A. Do you really think I'll do well? B. Yes, you're well prepared and confident. How was your weekend? Repeat. How was your weekend? This sentence is a friendly way to ask someone about their recent weekend and what they did during their free time. Example: A. Hi, I haven't seen you since Friday. B. Yeah, it's been a couple of days. A. How was your weekend? B. It was relaxing. I spent time with my family. That's not my business. Repeat. That's not my business. This sentence means the speaker believes something is private or does not concern them, so they do not want to get involved. Example: A. Do you know why Sarah left the office early? B. I heard something, but that's not my business. A. You're right, it's her personal matter. B. Exactly, we should respect her privacy. I'll double check. Repeat. I'll double check. This sentence means the speaker will check something again to make sure it is correct or accurate. Example: A. Are you sure the meeting starts at 10 a.m.? B. I think so, but I'll double check. A. That would be helpful, thank you. B. No problem. I'll confirm it right now. Please come inside and have a seat. Repeat. Please come inside and have a seat. This sentence is a polite way to invite someone to enter a place and sit down. Example: A. Hello, I'm here for the interview. B. Welcome. Please come inside and have a seat. A. Thank you very much. B. The manager will see you shortly. Why didn't you ask me first? Repeat. Why didn't you ask me first? This sentence is used when someone feels they should have been consulted before a decision was made. It shows surprise, disappointment, or concern. Example: A. I already changed the meeting time. B. Why didn't you ask me first? A. I thought it would be okay. B. Next time, please check with me. Please send me the file. Repeat. Please send me the file. This sentence is a polite request asking someone to send a document or digital file. Example: A. Do you have the final report ready? B. Yes, I just finished it. A. Please send me the file. B. Sure, I will email it to you right away. I'm running a little late. Repeat. I'm running a little late. This sentence means the speaker will arrive later than expected or later than the planned time. Example: A. Are you on the way to the meeting? B. Yes, but I'm running a little late. A. That's okay, we'll start in 5 minutes. B. Thank you, I'll be there soon. We told them the news. Repeat. We told them the news. This sentence means the speaker and others shared important or new information with some people. Example: A. Did your parents know about your job offer? B. Yes, we told them the news. A. How did they react? B. They were very happy and proud. Where is the nearest grocery store? Repeat. Where is the nearest grocery store? This sentence is used to ask for directions to the closest place where you can buy food and daily items. Example: A. Excuse me, I just moved to this area. B. Welcome, how can I help you? A. Where is the nearest grocery store? B. It's 2 blocks down the street on the left. I have to leave for work by 8 a.m. Repeat. I have to leave for work by 8 a.m. This sentence means the speaker must go to their job at or before 8 o'clock in the morning. Example: A. Do you want to watch another episode? B. I'd love to, but I have to leave for work by 8 a.m. A. Oh, then we should stop here. B. Yes, I need to get ready soon. Can you help me with this? Repeat. Can you help me with this? This sentence is a polite way to ask someone for assistance with a task, problem, or situation. Example: A. I'm stuck on this report and don't know what to write next. B. What seems to be the problem? A. Can you help me with this? B. Of course, let's work on it together. They left without saying goodbye. Repeat. They left without saying goodbye. This sentence means some people went away without telling anyone or giving a farewell. Example: A. Did you see Anna and Mark before they left? B. No, they were here a minute ago. A. They left without saying goodbye. B. Oh, that feels a little strange.
Thanks for watching.